By the end of this video, I can assure you that following the process which I'll be explaining, you'll be getting yourself a free 25k funded account. Now, there are two ways to it. You can either have it as an instant account or a three-phase funded account. That's why you actually need to pay attention to the details I'll be sharing in the video. So, some few days ago, I think the last time I posted a video on YouTube about opportunities like this was like 4 days ago. But in the Telegram channel, I think I posted twice how to get a free 25k account, and also I think I posted details about how to get a 5k account, which I just posted on my HEX account, because if I'm to create a video for update like that, I'm sure it would have ended before I even dropped the video. So I just had to post it on my HEX account, and those in Telegram channel just went straight to it. And I'm sure some of us actually got it, because I actually got this message from one of us thanking me that you actually got the free account. Now, so if you know you haven't joined the Telegram channel yet, I'm sure you don't want to miss out on opportunities like this. So just click on the link you find in the comment section, which is the link that will take you to the Telegram channel. And before we proceed, I need you to do just two things before we actually proceed. And firstly, you can see right here it says subscribe. You need to click on that button that says subscribe for you to subscribe to the channel, and also give this video a like so YouTube can actually push this video to more audience who actually needs information just like this. And also don't forget to share it to your friends, your colleagues who are also in need of free funded account to trade the forex market. And like I said earlier, click on the link you find in the comment section, and the link takes you to the Telegram channel, and straight to the link which will be taking you to this problem right here, which will be giving us this free account. Now, the process to claiming it is very simple and straight to the point. Now you just need to pay attention. Clicking the link will bring you to this interface having details just like this. And if you take a look at the top, you see the name of the prop firm, and by chance you should have this pop up on your screen. Now, if you are actually interested in this, you can just add your email address and click on enter giveaway, but that's not what the video is about. So if you click on the three lines at the top, see it right there, and then you click on login, which is among the option, then it should take you to this next part where you have sections like this. Now, if you have an account with them already, you just need to input your email address and password. But if you don't, just click on sign up. This showing beneath right here that says create one, that's for to create a new account. Now you have this where you actually need to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, the country where you're from, add your mobile phone number, and create a password, which is what you'll be using to log in into the site anytime you want to log in. Now, see right here, there's a small box that says I agree to the terms and condition. You make sure you mark it, make sure it is marked, and after every details is being filled, you click on register. If the details are being filled correctly, you should be logged in into the site having details like this. Now you can take a look at how it looks like, and without wasting time, the next thing you need to do is to click on this right here that says reward, this right here, and taking a look at the details, you can see it says tax, and there's the one by the side that says reward. And if you take a proper look at this section that says tax, you see there are taxes which you actually need to complete to actually get coin. Now this coin is what you need to accumulate to be able to get a funded account. Now if you take a look at the tax which is available right here, there are simple tax which you can just dive into and complete, and I'll be showing you how to complete about it so you won't have any delay when it's time to actually complete the tax. Now if you go back, scroll up to the top where you actually see something like this. You see this right here that says reward. Now you can see it right here, so you click on it, and this right here is where you'll be seeing the account which is available to claim. Now, depending on the amount of coin you're able to accumulate, you can see there's a 1,500 instant account. Now, which is for that you will be needing 600 coin to unlock it. Now, there's also a 25k instant funded pro account, which you need 1,600 points to unlock it. Now, if you scroll up, you get to see more accounts which you can unlock, but every account is based on coin. So you can see the coin which is required to unlock this account. Now, for the 25k account 3-step challenge, you'll be needing 1,000 points, which is what you need to unlock it. Now you can see there's an expiring date which is available until 24 of 12 2026. Now after that date, you won't be able to unlock any of these accounts right here. Now you can see there's also a 10k 3-step account, 3-step challenge account, which you actually need to unlock also, and there's a 5k 3-step account available also. So without wasting time, let's head back to this section that says tax, and let me actually explain to you how you actually go about completing the task. Now, if you scroll back to the top and just click on this right here that says tax. Now you can see the first task here says follow HEX Funded on TikTok. All you just need to do is to copy this link, this art right here, copy it, and then we'll be taking it to TikTok to give us a quick and easy search. So you copy the at HEX Funded official, copy it and go straight to your TikTok, open it and add it to the search bar just like this. Just paste it right here to the search bar and click on search. So you should have this account pop up.
If you're struggling to pass your evaluation or keep blind funded accounts, chances are you're making one of
account. And now go back to the site. Now once you're back in the site, you just need to click on this right here that says upload screenshot, and then pick the screenshot which you actually took, select it, and then copy a link of your TikTok account, then paste it right here. You'll be needing to paste it in this second box right here, just like I did mine. And once all these details is being added, just click on complete task, and immediately that is done, you should have it showing pending, just like this. So following this step, you should be able to accumulate enough points, because there are other tasks which you can just complete to get more coin. So follow the steps, accumulate more points, and then you'll be able to unlock the free funded account. So in case you actually missed out on any of my previous posts, any of my previous videos, just join the Telegram channel, and then you'll be able to check previous updates which I actually posted about, and then you'll be able to get more bonuses. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share with your guys, share with your colleagues who are also in need of free funded accounts just like this. Have a nice day, guys.